Good morning to all students, class 12, RS Inter College, Kanpur. Today I am teaching you the short story. The topic of today is story in English subject. And the name of story is An Astrologer's Day. It is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is very famous English writer like Mulk Raj Anand. His short stories and prose writings are very popular and they are studied very fondly by the English readers. And in India, his stories are very popular among the students, among the teachers, among the readers and other persons also. So today the story is very interesting, belonging to An Astrologer's Day. In this short story, the writer has introduced the typical or the traditional astrologer who are found in India. Many astrologers have no knowledge, but they deceive the innocent people and earn their living by telling a lie, by looking their clothes, shoes or slippers, their condition they make and guess and tell according to their conscience, and which is some of them believe and give a lot of money to them. In this way they can earn their living in a very easy way. In that category, in this story, there is also a life story of astrologer. So in this short story An Astrologer, the story begins the life of young man or the young farmer who lived in a village. But he was very lazy, did nothing because he did not like the profession that was the paternal as their parents did, because he was lazy and he was also shirker, not like to do any manual work. That's why he strayed, means caught wrong way, and he started to drink and gamble. One day he was drinking and gambling with his other farmer friend beside the well out of the village, and after drinking they started to gamble. At that time there arose a dispute between them. The astrologer could not control his anger and he stabbed with his knife to his friend many times, and he was very badly wounded. He became senseless. When he became senseless, and the astrologer thought that he was dead, so he threw him into the well to die. But it was fortunate that a traveler passed there. When he was drawing water from the well because he was thirsty, to quench his thirst, he heard the groaning sound. He at once called the villagers, and with the help of villagers he drew out the wounded person, and in this way he was hospitalized, and after getting proper treatment, after a few days he got well. On the other hand, that criminal astrologer left the village at once because he was fearing of being arrested by the police. So he went away about 200 miles to the south, and in a town he settled himself. He became astrologer. He put on the clothes of the astrologer. He grew long hair, mustaches and beard, and in this way he hid his identity so that he could not be recognized by any person. So he selected the place of his profession. Place was very good. According to his selection, according to his profession, the place was very suitable for him. It was under the tamarind tree, Under that tree he sat down. He came at 11 o'clock, spread his cloth that were red and square size, and on that red cloth there were mystic charts pertaining to various kinds of stars, etc. And he also kept the professional things. The professional things he kept were the cowries, dozens of cowries, shells, vermilion, colored stones, and palmilla leaves to write and tell the future of the villagers. You know that the story was written about 70 or 80 years before, and that's why at that time our rural area, village area was not developed. The people were uneducated, the farmers' family were uneducated, they lived dirty life without putting on proper clothes and without slippers. So often the poor people became the victim of that astrologer. They came to him to know their future. Although the astrologer himself did not know anything, but he told the future, what will happen with them in future, to the villagers, and villagers believed and gave a lot of money to them. In this way the astrologer earned the living, and also he used that money in his expenses, in his domestic expenses. He had also married, he had 2 daughters. So, today till here I am telling you, and the rest of the story I will tell you tomorrow. Now for homework, open your notebook and write down question answers. I am sending question answers through WhatsApp. Remember it. See WhatsApp and start to write question answers belonging to an astrologer. Thank you very much.